You have such low self-confidence because of this one thing. You care way too much about what everybody else thinks, about how you look, how you dress, what you think of yourself. Stop caring. I mean, how much do you care about yourself? Let me rephrase that. How much do you care about what other people think? How much do you care about other people's opinions? Not a lot. Because that's a lie. You care way too much. You don't even realize it. You care way too much. And that is bringing your self-confidence way down. You could be buff. You could be 100 pounds of straight muscle. And you could be weak. You could be having such low self-confidence. You could be so timid. You could be talking like, oh my God, you'd be talking like that. Because you don't have your mindset right. You don't have your clarity right. Because you care way too much. Oh no, I care too much about my muscle. So I'm gonna be timid even though I'm humongous. Even though I have proof for being confident, I won't be confident because I care way too much. You care way too much. So get that right. And you know how not to care? You're like, hey Chris, I don't know how to stop caring because my mind is always on like autopilot. It's always running. It's like I can't slow it down. I can't slow it down. Well, maybe meditate, maybe pray, find yourself, because you're worrying because you have care. So you got to realize what is causing that worry. What is causing that worry? Because if you have everything figured out, then you have no worry. If you have everything figured out, you have no worry. So if you get your life checked out, if you have everything checked out, you will have less worry. And then with that, you could stop caring so much. You care way too much. So let me tell you how to stop caring. Let me tell you how to get high confidence. All right. So number one is you gotta stop caring what other people think about you. Number two is you gotta slow it down. You gotta be clear on yourself and you gotta take away your worries. And number three, just be happy. Just live. You gotta live. You aren't living. You're just worrying way too much about what everybody else thinks about you. And let me get it right. Most people probably don't think about you. Yeah, that's harsh. But they're thinking about themselves. They're worrying about themselves. So if you want to elevate in life, you got to focus on yourself and not what everybody else thinks. So thank you for watching. I'm Chris from Deep Roots. I talk about how to elevate your life and I talk about how to grow closer to God. So if you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to subscribe, click here. Thank you for watching. I'm Chris. Peace out.